Uh, Good afternoon, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make some turkey pasta. Alright. Gonna put some oil in this. And I'm move the camera down to the pot. Alright. That's the oil. Gonna heat up. I'm gonna add some onions. Some garlic. Some basil. Some dry oregano, dry, it's gonna get fresh. Add some pepper flakes. Give it a little bit of heat. I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning. Okay, add that a little bit. I'm gonna add some Guyanese green seasoning. Black pepper, a little bit of salt, okay? Fry this up, get it going, and add the meat. Pasta's cooking. Have the pasta cooking here. Very simple. I'm gonna add half of the meat. Let's fry up. This turkey pasta, very simple. Alright guys, nothing difficult. Whatever seasoning you want to put, it's up to you. Your choice. You know, for me, this is what I like with my seasoning. Kids, they have to eat it too. Alright, let's fry it on. Fry up. Let me check out my pasta. See how it is. Fry up on that little color. Add the sauce, let it cook. I'm gonna add some milk, a little creaminess. now. Everything here, this is the sauce I use. Fast and quick. Okay. You can make your own sauce if you have time. And there's plant your garden, you have your tomato, you can make your own sauce. Make your own fresh tomato. Make a nice tomato sauce and keep it in the fridge. Add your basil, your fresh basil, oregano, and garlic and rosemary, garlic and onion. Make a nice sauce. Alright. I'm gonna add some cream, some milk to this. Give it a nice body. Nice creaminess. Add some cheese. Check out my pasta, see how it is. Very little bit of milk I add. I don't want it. That's a little bit of creaminess to give it a nice body. Add some cheese there. Let it cook down. Look at this, guys. That looks so rich already. See, very simple. Pitching up all over me. See, like I'm ready to eat. Taste it. It tastes so good already. The basil and the oregano, dry oregano. Let me see if my pasta ready. Always good to have your pasta there and close to be ready. Just throw it in. Nice hot sauce, nice pasta ready. Always good to add it when it's hot. Throw it in. Alright. Mix it up. Guys, beautiful it is. Add some cheese now. Sprinkle some cheese on top. Add a little basil. Sprinkle some cheese. Sprinkle some cheese on top. Add some basil now. We're ready to go. Finish. Looks so delicious. Get some fresh basil now. We'll chop it up. Get my knife. You guys look at that. Very fresh. I'm gonna get chop up some basil right now. Fresh basil. Put it on top. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. It's right in the pot. I'm gonna throw some basil. Alright. Alright, you guys see that? How simple it is? Alright, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give it a like. Alright, I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.